Hi, this is Christoph van Tomme from Pronovix, an open source software consultancy company. In the next 2.5 minutes, I would like to explain to you why you should join our cause that will keep your merchandise from ending up in a trash can.
Meet Sam. Sam is an open source developer. Sam has a problem. Because he gives his code to the community for free, his customers, friends and family all think he is crazy. No matter what he says, they just don't understand how open source software works. Next, meet Jane. Jane works at Open Source and Cotton Candy, a company where developers make products and services for other developers. She also has a problem. You see, when Jane exhibits at a conference, she needs developers like Sam to remember about her company. So she brings stuff. Lots, and lots, and lots of stuff. Sam thinks stuff is fun, until it's time to drag it back home, of course. So instead of the usual, Jane would love to give him something fun, branded and useful. Something that doesn't take much space and that is not too expensive to produce. Something like a card game, for example. A card game that Sam could play with his customers to explain why it's good to contribute back to open source projects. A card game he could play with his friends. A card game he could play with his family, so that they would understand how he earns his money and be proud of the contributions he makes to humanity. And while we're at it, why not make it a Creative Commons collectible card game? That's open source, diverse, and infinitely extendable with unique series of geek-tastic cards. With merchandise like that, Jane wouldn't have any problems to get developers to visit her booth. Developers would be rowing at her booth like a horde of ravenous zombies.
But to start this revolution of useful, fun, and memorable merchandise, we need your help. So join our cause at giveuscards.com. Thank you for watching.